What is going on YouTube? Simply Amazing here. Today I'm just making a quick video and show you how you can put custom thumbnails onto your videos using your iPhone or Android or whatever mobile device you're trying to use it on. So basically what you want to do is go to Safari and type in YouTube. Now make sure you're on Safari or internet browser and not on the app. And you'll see why in a second. Because you want to get this screen. It looks like a desktop screen, basically like as if it was on a computer. So go to the top right, click on your account, Creator Studio. Go to any video, whatever video you're trying to change the thumbnail on, and hit edit. And then right here where this box is, you normally show 3 boxes. But since I already have a custom thumbnail, it shows 4. But it'll should say custom thumbnail, you click on it and you post whatever thumbnail you're trying to get on there. If you already have a thumbnail and you want to change it, you just tap on it like this, hit change image. And then, yeah, you pretty much change it, save it, and then you should be good to go. If this helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.